Hi friends, this is a continuation of the recognition of tokens. In the previous videos we have discussed about the recognition of identifiers, recognition of delimiters and relational operator also. So we are providing the link in the description. You can go through it. Okay. Now the next one is fourth one, that is recognition of keywords. Okay, keywords. So what are the keywords we can write as? For example, if, else, for, then. Okay, these are the keywords if you will consider. So you have to draw the how will the lexical analyzer will this find out these keywords. So by drawing the transition diagram, so how we'll draw the transition diagram? 0 is the initial state. Okay, now take if. So it will move to the first state. Next F, second state. This is the final state. And next one, else. E, 1, 2, 3. L, S, 5. E, 6. This is the final state. IF, it will move to the second state. ELSE, sixth state. For FOR, see till 6 is finished. 7, 8, F, O, R. So ninth. Okay. And next one is then. T, 9 is finished. 10, 11, H, 12, E, N, 13. That is the final state. This is a transition diagram for the recognition of keywords. Okay. And the next topic is recognition of numbers. How we will find out the numbers? So fifth one is recognition of numbers. How the lexical analyzer will recognize the numbers? So you can write it as a production is digit is equals to 0, 1, 2 till 9. You can write. Okay. Now digits, how you can write the digits? Digits. Digit and digit star means one digit remaining. For example, 110. So this is a digit. This is 0 or more occurrences. Okay. 0 or more occurrences. That's the reason we are denoting digit star. Okay. Now how we will write the number then? Number. How we will write? Digits. Okay. Dot digits. Okay. Then you have this form. Okay. Mantissa and exponent. Okay. Plus or minus digits question mark. See here, digits dot. For example, if you will take the example 123.45 exponent of 23. So for this notation we will write this production rule. Okay. So we have written number equal to digits dot digits epsilon means exponential and digits 23. So for this, if we want to draw the transition diagram, then how it looks? Means first initially you have to take 0. Okay. Then 1 digit. So it is in the form of digits. You have to convert into digits. Digit is different, digits is different. So in the place of digits, what you have to write? Digit, in the parenthesis digit star. Okay. See, in the place of digits you have to replace as digit star. Clear? Digits means digit plus digit star. Now the transition diagram, 0 is the initial state. Now in the place of digits, digit star. Okay. Next state. Again dot dot. Next again digits, so digit, third state, again digit star. Okay, next again what it's saying, E, mantissa and exponent now. Okay, again it will move to 4. Next 0 or plus or minus, it will move to the 5th. Okay, next again digits. Digits means digit star. Okay, this is the final state. This is a transition diagram for recognition of the numbers. With this, recognition of tokens is finished. So we have 5 types of recognition of tokens. The first one is recognition of identifiers, recognition of delimiters, recognition of keywords, recognition of relational operator, recognition of numbers. Thank you.